What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1984 1500 GMC. Does have a believed to be 350 up under the hood. We'll be going over checking everything out on this one, because that's what we like to do on the test drives, tell you everything about the vehicles that we own, so there's no surprises when you get here. This one does have disc brakes on the front, drum in the rear, a beautiful paint job. Go ahead, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and yes, we can ship these cars all over the country. Before we go on the test drive, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. You can also hit that notification bell to let you know when these videos are posted. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. We're gonna take a look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? It's a little game we play on this channel here. The dash looks pretty good. The interior is nice in this thing. Seat looks good. There's some tint on the back window, headliners. I mean, it's painted, so it looks good. Go ahead and start it up. RPMs come up, all aftermarket gauges on the dash. I like the way that looks there. That looks nice. It does have AC on it, but I couldn't get the compressor to kick on. It's blowing through the blowing motor right now, or the blower motor, but no AC. Shouldn't take too much to get that going. Get on the dash here. Oil pressure's around close to 30 there. Temperature's up to 180, which is good. Amp meter's working. Oh, gas gauge. I hope we're not that low, but we'll be stopping and getting some gas just to make sure. Can't stand behind that mileage. I mean, these are aftermarket gauges for one, and this is an 84 model. Windshield wipers, let's try them. They work. Horn. Oh, come on. Is there a button? I kind of thought this one was gonna work. All right, guys, let's take off. Go ahead and get my seatbelt put on before we take off here. Looks like there was a chip in the windshield, but they used one of them repair kits or had somebody come out and repair it. Anything I see on this test drive, I will let you know. If anything's wrong with this truck, you'll know before you get here. A little water's coming from that visor up there on the outside. Oh, this is one of those that you can stop wherever you like. Look. Okay, steering on this thing, nice and sensitive. It turns exactly when I turn. Oh man, I wanted to test the kick down, but Mr. Policeman pulled out right after I did, so keep looking around the car here. Speedo's not coming up on the dash. We are going straight down the road. You know what? Kick down's working. Motor's pulling pretty good. Check these brakes out. Brakes are stopping fast. Good deal. Oh, there's that game again. I do like this truck. We're gonna go ahead and pull in this gas station here. I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of fuel in it so we don't run out, because this gas gauge, I don't believe is working. Turn signal is popping up on the dash here. He left me alone, he went on. All right. Let's get this gas. Keep this rolling. I like that shifter too. This truck here's just got a good look to it. So you're gonna put about 20 in it. Put your gas in right there. Get your receipt. And we'll roll on out here. This thing's so screwy. I'm almost done with this gas station. Yes, I want the receipt. I hate when they do that. Clerk has receipt. I guess I don't get it today. Let's go in here and check this gas gauge out. There we go. Let's see if it does come up. We may have just been that low. No, they don't have it hooked up. But I do know I have $20 worth of fuel, so let's keep this rolling. Rolling out the parking lot, the temperature got up to about 200, real shy of 200. And we've had it running for a little while in this truck, so that's not too bad. I guess it's been about 20 minutes circling the parking lot, getting all my videos and stuff, and we did a walk around video. And I think we're just gonna beat the rain. I mean, we're gonna be right there. So we're gonna head out of here and head back towards the lot. Gotta manually shut off the turn signals, I've noticed that. This truck feels pretty good going down the road, nice and solid. Suspension feels nice. Steering's tight. Gas pedal feels good. The temperature's already back down to like 185, and it's actually going down. Just getting some airflow through the grill and the radiator, cooling everything down. So dusty here today. How many of y'all been affected by this dust storm? It's crazy. I'm not used to this stuff, but not in Tennessee. This road's got a big speed bump in it. We're gonna hit it in the water at speed. Kind of gives you an idea You watch how much I bounce around. It's not too bad. Feels like a truck, nice and solid. Truck's definitely got a highway gear. Shouldn't have no problem getting down at about 70 mile an hour either. Cruising on back up through here. Heading back into the lot. We've got a lot of new inventory. Very excited to show off to y'all next week. I'll be doing a full lot walk on Monday or Tuesday, depending on how the rain goes here. Well, let's go pull in. Somebody parked right in the entrance. Not quite sure why. Pull on up here and we'll finish this video up before it starts raining on me. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. You can get financed. I can ship this truck anywhere in the nation. Also, hit that subscribe button. I post cars every single day. We got a full lot full of classic American muscle cars here, and we get about 40 of them a month. So definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell. It'll tell you every time I post. If you haven't already, check out the walk around video. It'll give you a full description on the outside, inside of the truck. Chips, flaws, scratches, dents, anything you might need to know, we will let you know before you make your trip down here. We sell all over the country and we try to give an honest representation of every car. All right guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.